Why does hub and spoke increase transit, times, and distribution? Imagine sending a package across the country and wondering why it takes longer than expected. Sometimes the route seems longer, more complicated, and a bit slower. That's often because of the way the hub and spoke model works in logistics. This system uses a central hub where goods from many sources come together. From there, they are sorted and sent out to their final destinations. Instead of going straight from the sender to the receiver, the package makes a detour through the hub. This extra step adds handling time and waiting periods, which naturally extend the total transit time. In this setup, shipments from different origins, called spokes, all meet at the hub. At the hub, goods are unloaded, sorted by where they need to go, and then reloaded onto new vehicles heading to their final destinations. This sorting process takes time because workers need to organize each shipment carefully. The more shipments coming in, the longer it can take to unload, sort, and load everything again. If there are many packages, delays can happen, especially if the hub gets crowded or overwhelmed. Another reason transit times increase is the indirect routing. Instead of a straight shot from sender to receiver, goods travel into steps. First, they go from the origin to the hub. Then, from the hub to the destination. This means extra travel distance and more time in transit. For example, a package going from a warehouse in one city to a store in another might first go to a central hub in the middle of the country. From there, it is sent out again to the store. This detour can add hours or even days, depending on how far apart the locations are and how the schedules are set up. Congestion at the hub can also slow things down. When many shipments arrive at once, the hub can become a bottleneck. If the handling capacity is not enough or if scheduling is not efficient, delays happen. These delays ripple through the network, making the overall transit longer. Plus, the system often relies on scheduled departures and arrivals. Shipments might have to wait at the hub until the next scheduled truck or plane is ready to leave. This waiting time adds to the total transit duration. The main goal of the hub and spoke model is to save money. By consolidating shipments, companies can reduce the number of routes and trucks needed. This helps lower transportation costs and makes planning easier. But this cost saving comes with a trade-off. Because goods pass through an extra step and travel indirect routes, transit times tend to be longer than direct shipping. Companies weigh these factors carefully, often locating hubs near major markets to cut down on delays and improve speed. In the end, the hub and spoke system makes managing large distribution networks easier and more cost-effective. It helps control inventory flow and scale operations smoothly. Still, it's important to understand that this setup can slow down delivery times because of the extra handling, sorting, and routing steps involved. So, while it might take longer to get a package from point A to point B, the system helps keep costs down and makes large-scale distribution more manageable.